everyone. My name is Luis Bello, and I will be your instructor for Chem 1114 during the summer semester. And I just want to give you an idea how to get access to the information on your Blackboard. Here is the way you will see the Blackboard. So the first thing that I will recommend you is to click on Start Here. When you click on Start Here, there will be different other links. Let me start with the first one that say Enter Here, and you will have introduction to the class, the faculty profile, and many other links that will help you to get more information about the class. One of the most important things will be the course syllabus, and they will explain you we are going to start on June the 7th, and we will be finishing August 1st, 2021. And that will be the format for the class will be blended because we are going to use a lot of online tools, and eventually some of the lecture will be online and some activity will be done online. That's why the name blended. Most of the activity, particularly the lab, will be in physically, I mean face to face, but other activity will be online like assignment, quizzes, discussion, and many other that I will tell you when the moment comes. The textbook, this is the textbook, the information of the textbook. Also, you will have a link to get access to the online one. I also have a link for different websites that I recommend you to visit. Those websites will be listing video related to the topic that we are covering in the class. And I strongly recommend you to visit some of them to get more information, to prepare yourself previous tests or even taking a quiz. So that's another recommendation that I will give to you. The rest are just information that you want to review. I'm not going to go over every single one because it's there with the idea that you can review often. It's not like a one-time review. The second link that you will have in your course on your Blackboard will be since you need to work on it. Some of the information you will see here are repeated in other places of the Blackboard, but I just give you like a sort of headline or trying to call your attention about things you need to work on it. Those are first discussion. Discussion will be a topic that I will release and you will be able to talk about or to respond a question, and you will have at least once a week. Quizzes are quizzes related to the chapter that we are practicing. You will see an online quiz where you will be able to practice some of the topics that we have been covering during the lecture. Also, some of the lab activity, there is no one posted yet because I have to define what will be the activity that we will be doing, but I have an idea that you probably already saw on the syllabus that there are some, let's say, like a pre-plan or a draft plan for doing lab activity. Then the assignments, I will copy. The assignment will be essentially lab report. So there you will see lab report that I will post and then you will submit your answer. Next thing will be the announcement, and under the announcement, for instance, I already copied two of them, and that will be a sort of calendar for lecture, discussions, and lab activity. This is just my proposal, and also the schedule for the meeting in person. The class will be in the Northeast campus, and we are working on the enrollment now, and I will decide how many group we will have, if we have two or just one, depending on the enrollment. That's why you see all the like 2 times a week for one class and 2 times a week for another group. But that will depend on the enrollment. Okay, we will be working more on this when the times come, when we are closer to the June the 7th. What else we have here on the left? Well, all the chapters and the topic for every single chapter are listed on the left side here, so you can go and review those chapters. And the most important thing that I want you to look at is the textbook. Here, when you click on Pearson e-test, that will give you the online version for the textbook, and eventually will come and they say instructor setup required, because I didn't set up that one yet because we are not close to the beginning of the school, I mean to the summer class yet. But you will have access to this one. And this is there is also some other explanations, some other chemical related tools and concepts that you can explore. So that will be the way you will be working on the Blackboard Collaborate. You have also option for tutoring. On here you will have the schedule for tutoring and the link for tutoring, and who is doing the tutoring for in every campus, and also the name and the email of the person doing the tutoring. So anyways, you will have all the information posted on Blackboard. So that's my first introduction, the first contact that I want to have with you. Welcome to my Chem 1114 summer class, and see you soon. Bye now.